Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a dusk to dawn light bulb. What these are is basic light bulbs, but they are kind of solar powered. They turn on at dusk and turn off at dawn. You just leave your light switch on in your house, you put it on an outside fixture, and it does the lighting for you. You don't have to remember to turn on and off the light switch. That's what this thing is for. So saves energy, and it's going to make it so your bulbs hopefully last longer than the typical light bulb does. I'm going to unbox this thing and show what comes in there. Judging by the box, it's a two-piece set, and they are 60 watts, a 7-watt equivalent, 5000 K daylight, and a 15,000 hour light span. So if you're wanting to save yourself some money, this is probably going to be the route to go. And I know me personally, I forget to turn off my outdoor lights during the daytime, so this is going to be very beneficial. Nicely padded in there. And yeah, just your typical looking Edison bulb. And I'm not sure how the actual sensors work in this thing, so that is going to be interesting to find out. What I'm going to do is just install this in the fixture outside. I'll have the light switch on so it's able to do its thing, and I see that it's off, and then hopefully come nighttime it illuminates. So let's take a look. Alright, so this is the light fully lit, works great. So hopefully you guys like that video. I am going to have a link for this product in the description below. If you do enjoy the product, definitely pick one up. It's a bright light, it's going to save you a lot of energy, and it's just going to make your life easier. So buy one of those light bulbs today. Like I said, they come in a 2-pack, the one I got. But yeah, it's going to save you a lot of time, energy efficient, all around great product. So do highly recommend. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time.